Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display FPS in CSGO. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. To start with, just want to click escape and head into your settings. We just want to click on this game tab at the top. Make sure this game tab is selected too and look for this bit here, enable developer console. Now if you're new to the game, this will be set to no by default. So if you're new, make sure to go to your settings and change this to yes, and you can head back into your game. From there we can go ahead and open up your console, and you just want to type in cl_show FPS and set to 0, and that's what it will be by default. But if you want your FPS to come up on screen, just change that to 1 and select enter. As you can see in the top left corner, now my FPS is enabled and we can see it now. If you want more than FPS, you can also open up your console again, and I'm going to turn this off for the sake of the video. FPS 0. You can also type in net_graph. I'll set this to 1 instead of 0, and as you can see in the bottom corner, it shows my FPS but also shows my other things, your ping, what tick speed you're on. For example, you get a lot more information about it. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.